Welcome to Brain Teaser Tube. Today we have a unique challenge for you. Rate the food quiz. Get ready to choose between your favorite fast foods. There are 20 choices and 10 seconds each. Before moving to video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon. Rate the food, it is pizza. Rate the food, French fries. Rate the food, do you like hot dogs? What will you rate for biryani? Rate the food. What about pretzel? Rate the food. Next, tacos. How is everyone doing so far? Feel free to comment your favorite fast foods in the comment section. Now let's move to the next round. Rate the food. Doner kebab. Rate the food. Corn soup. Rate the food. Burger. Rate the food. Pasta. Rate the food. Nachos. Rate the food. Burrito. Rate the food. Lasagna. Cheesecake. Rate the food. Fried chicken. Rate the food. Nuggets. Rate the food. Fried fish. Rate the food. Onion rings. Mozzarella sticks. Rate the food. Baguette. So, how much you liked the video? Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Choose your next quiz.